Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Place was donated by a Goan family for the betterment and development of the people of Goa. Now, since this leprosy hospital has been done away with and the infrastructure is in ruins, it is the duty of the government to consult the stakeholders, the elected members and the people of the village before taking the further step of constructing and doing up this place for the police headquarters.
And all lugar तुम्ही ये पुलिस IRB camp आणा का IRB camp वाटपाक जरा कितो lugar हा SEZ lugar दिला तो थिंग वेकंडा so many places and in my mind IRB camp मोठा इथे centrally located जावपा जाय 1 lakh square meter of this area has been handed over by the health department to the home department, saying that survey numbers 161/2, 158/1, 157/1 have been already transferred to the police department for setting up IRB's camp.
आणि हांव म्हागो आतां रिजनला पासून आमगेले गांव पाड करून नाका तूं कोत्ता हेल्थाचे हाडी आतां आयुश हॉस्पिटल आतां तूं आयुश हॉस्पिटल हाडी कोवीड आतां कोवीड जावं म्हाका हें कोवीड बंद जावपा ना कोवीड हॉस्पिटल हाडी